Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be quickly looking at the WorkPro slip joint style long nose pliers. So I picked these up because they are extremely affordable and I think this is going to be a good set for weekend warriors DIYers. But I wanted to quickly compare it to the Icon because this is obviously another very popular option when it comes to long nose pliers with the slip joint design, because honestly there aren't many out there, hardly any at all. Besides these, you got Snap-on and maybe another brand or two if you're lucky. While obviously not everybody's going to want to purchase the Snap-on, a lot of people purchase these because they are a good amount cheaper than the Snap-on. But if you're honestly not looking at spending this much, you may be interested in that. So I at least wanted to show this option to you guys. I picked this up maybe a week and a half ago. We're going to get into the specs, features, pricing, all of that good stuff. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, maybe I forget to mention something that you guys want to know, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it for you guys. But other than that, I'll have both of these linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested. So this is the WorkPro 8-inch long nose slip joint pliers. And it does have some really good features. Now, do I think it is better than the Icon or the same as the Icon? No, I don't. But I think a lot of people can still get a lot of use out of this. Maybe you want a set to throw in a junkyard bag or throw in the car. They're also a little bit lower profile than the Icons. The Icons can be a little bit bulky for certain situations, especially for a long nose pair of pliers. There's pros and cons to each. As you can see, the Icon is a much slimmer design as far as width, but the handles are going to be a much bulkier design than the WorkPro. The Icon, it's supposed to be a 9-inch pair. It's actually like 9.5, but if you include the nipple on the bottom, you're looking at about 9 3/4 inches long, whereas this is 8 inches. So a little bit shorter, a little bit more compact, but a little bit thicker on the nose. The fit and finish isn't quite as nice, but it's honestly not terrible. I heard a couple of people mention that they were afraid that the WorkPro fit and finish was going to be very lousy, but honestly it's not bad at all. So just quickly looking at these, you do just have your standard slip joint design. It's not the fancier recessed version like what you got on the Icon, and it is just a dual position versus Icon's triple position or Snap-on's triple position. You do have some good features here though. As far as the jaw, you have some nice cross hatching in the first, I'd say inch and a half, all the way from the tip to the first open jaw, which is a smaller open jaw with fine teeth. And then you have a larger open jaw with more aggressive teeth. And then you also have your shear cutter here. So with the Icon, a little bit different. You have fine cross hatching here, and then it moves into a more aggressive cross hatching. No small open jaw. It just moves into a more aggressive, larger open jaw, but some really good teeth in there. Really good at biting. I've been using these in my work truck for roughly the last month or two, and they have been fantastic. So just a quick side by side. So there you can just see a little bit of a difference in the design there. Adjustment's easy. And if you can see here, the pattern here, it's a real light one, that is actually the Icon. And then the WorkPro is here. So a little bit more aggressive teeth up there in the nose, still really good at grabbing and pulling. And since it is crosshatch, it's good at pulling from multiple different directions and does it really, really well. I don't think the shear cutter is designed quite as nice. You kind of got more of a curved edge here, and that's really going to help with shearing. Whereas this is more straight. It's just not going to shear quite as smoothly, but I'm sure it still works just fine. Yeah. As far as nose play, Not bad for a slip joint style. I mean, no more or no less than my icons. You're just gonna have that when you got a joint here. Obviously you don't want a lot. The only time you're really gonna see that is when you're trying to twist something, and it just depends on which direction you're holding the pliers and which direction you're twisting. But I do like the dual open jaw feature on these. You got the smaller one for a little bit smaller fasteners, and the larger one with more aggressive teeth. And that slip joint, I hope it's something that we start to see on more long nose pliers, because this is actually a really handy feature. And you can keep the grips nice and close. You can get a really good bite on some fasteners with those large teeth. So the Icon, I think the fit and finish is better. I do like these grips. It's not gonna be for everybody. They're a little bit bulkier. I don't mind them. I like them more than your standard like comfort grip pliers, the big bulky plastic. I don't care for that. I'm okay with these. It is a larger set of pliers. Hopefully they'll come out with like a 7-inch pair of these. That would be really cool. But these run $30, not on sale, no discount. But obviously you get a 15 or 20% discount, you can get a good deal on these. Or if you come across the Icon pliers discounts throughout the year, where sometimes they're like 40% off, you can get these for, you know, for roughly 15 bucks, because the original sell price of these is $30, where these are actually $14, and commonly, almost always, has a coupon for $2 off, so you can get these for $12. So while the fit and finish isn't quite there, I don't think it's bad at all. There's the nose alignment. I mean, especially for a $10 to $15 pair of pliers, I think the quality, fit, and finish of these is just fine. They are chrome vanadium, standard dipped handles. I think the teeth might be a little bit softer. They're not quite as like diamond cut, if that makes sense. It's not quite as sharp on the edges and stuff. If you just kind of, hopefully that makes sense. I don't know how else to explain it. Just maybe a little bit more rounded on the edges, but overall I think for $12 it's well worth it. For those that may not want to spend $30 or try and get the discount, maybe you're looking for something a little bit shorter than the Icons, but I think both of these are fantastic options. I think we should have had slip joint long nose pliers a long time ago. Many more options available at least than the couple options that we have. But I think both of these are really solid options. This is just going to be geared kind of for those that either want to throw it in a junkyard bag, throw it in a roadside emergency bag, or just somebody weekend wear DIYer that may not honestly want to spend the $30 for the Icon set. For basically $10 you can get a similar version of it. But let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. Would you pick these up for around $12? So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. I will have both of these linked down in the description for you guys. And as always, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.